We're making sheep now. We've just used exactly the same cutters for the clouds. We've just got two cut out here. We're going to put the feet and the face on first. So to do the face, it's just a little circle cutter. And we're going to stick them on there. It's got to overlap over the top of the fondant, the white fondant, making sure you got it in the centre. The reason why we haven't put the fence on first is I want to make sure I have the fence even, and if I put the sheep on first, I can achieve that. To make the feet, I'm just rolling little sausages and cutting them into legs. Oh, I cut them too long. Now to make the wool on the sheep's head, all we've done is cut another little sausages that are tapered down on the ends, and we're just going to have it going across either side of the sheep's head. Now we're just making some eyes. We're making them teeny tiny. So we've rolled a ball and we're actually going to cut the ball into 4. And that should be enough eyes for both of the lambs or sheep. We get the little quarters, just roll them into a ball and we'll glue them on. Now if you have an edible marker, you can put the pupils in the lamb's eyes or sheep eyes with that. If you don't, then you'll need to roll some little pieces of black fondant. Now I'm just going to put little smiles on these sheep, and I'm going to use this little cookie cutter. If you put it at an angle on purpose, then it works out better. You don't have to worry about making sure it's perfectly aligned. Thanks for watching. So you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and you click on the notification bell. Happy decorating!